Speaking during an open court day at Mbale High Court Circuit in Mbale City, the principal judge, Flavian Zeiji, said that the judiciary is ready to establish a regional court of appeal for the eastern part of the country, but they are still looking for land on which to establish the court premises. This move is, however, deterred by land shortage in the region. Authorities in Mbale City have now been tasked to ensure they avail land for the establishment of the court. Both Tororo and Soroti districts are reported to have expressed interest to host the court premises, although nothing has materialized yet. The established court is meant to help litigants from moving long distances to Kampala, which makes judicial process expensive.
When we announced that we were going to decentralize the Court of Appeal, Western Region Mbale gave us land, we are going to start construction. Northern Buru gave us land, we are going to begin construction. Mbale is still thinking about it. Now let me assure you that if you don't if you don't give us land, we have options. We have Tororo here, we have Soroti. We shall in this financial year we shall plan to construct the Court of Appeal in any of those places and forget about Mbale.
Mbale High Court Circuit senior resident judge is optimistic the necessary land will be made available, but he however decries injustice like land grabbing among government officials. Namundi, who was bitter, cited land like the Uhuru Park, which was a public space that has since been grabbed by property developers, on which he said would be suitable for the establishment of the Court of Appeal to serve the people.
In the last 2 years we have had judges from the Court of Appeal coming here to handle criminal appeals. And those are appeals which have been pending from 2012 up to 2016. Some of them had died, some had even served their sentences. So that eventually the appeal becomes meaningless. Mbale and this High Court Circuit, we need to take this issue of the Court of Appeal very, very, very seriously. Appeal is now the next court above us, the High Court judges. You are not satisfied with the decision made by us, then you go to the next court. At the moment, you take your cases to the Court of Appeal in Kampala. And the only people who can take you there are the lawyers. In the last 2 years we have had judges from the Court of Appeal coming here to handle criminal appeals. Those are appeals which have been pending from 2012 up to.
During the open court, the litigants in Mbale appealed to the judicial officials to expeditiously work on their cases, which have been stalled in the courts of law for many years. They appealed to the principal judge to prevail on the magistrates and other judicial officials who have made it a habit to demand for bribes before dispensing justice, as well as the increasing cases of missing files, trials taking too long, delayed judgments, among others. The Registrar Magistrates Affairs, Aremye Jumere Mawanda, in response, however, said that corruption or bribery starts with the litigants themselves who offer the bribes to the judicial officers. He said that the judiciary is not a shop where magistrates are waiting to sell justice to anyone, noting that the judicial officers can survive on salary given to them by the government.
I want to emphasize that corruption is not starting from judiciary, it is starting from you. These magistrates or judicial officers are in the courts, but the people who are corrupting them. So I want to say that corruption does not start in the judiciary, it is starting from you.
Case backlog is one of the challenges faced by judiciary. This is said to be denying justice, as many have waited for longer than expected for their cases to be heard.